Here is a Panasonic air conditioner at Jade's house, and it's by the Siemens air conditioner, and it ran the last time on June 30th, and let summer take over.
I'm back. So this air conditioner was installed when the house was built in 2001. Right now, Kirsten's helping Jade's dad Jet, cleaning the kitchen for a while. Back on June 30th, 2017, this air conditioner was not running. This Panasonic air conditioner is a little big, but shorter than the Siemens. Now, let's check out the model. It is a 3-ton Panasonic air conditioner, installed in September 4, 2001. Wow, it has an energy guide. Wow. That's a cool energy guide. Now let's go back to Pierce.
Thank you, Summer. I'm going to set the temperature from 54 to 60 on the Rheem LS thermostat. Now that's cooler. Tomorrow, I'll do the video of the full kitchen at Jade's house. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.